Dear miracle seekers, this message is for you today. I want you to listen. A lot of you has lost yourself while going around looking for yourself. A lot of you has lost your glory while going around looking for miracle where there is no miracle. A lot of you, your light has been dimmed while walking around, putting your feet into different places that you come across. I want to speak to you today, my brothers, my sisters. Can you please go home? Sit down. Sit down like a bona fide Igbo person. Sit down like a child to his or her father. Begin to calculate yourself, your life. Begin to think back. Begin to ask yourself your questions. Begin to meditate about your life. Where have you gone wrong? So many of you, nothing is actually wrong with you. So many of you only need to think back. You only need to go back and correct some certain mistakes you've made in the past. But you chose to ignore those signs. You chose to ignore them. And you decided, or you have decided to start looking for miracle where there is no miracle. Before any miracle can happen in your life, there must be something that we call self-discovery. That is why I have told you to go back home, sit down and meditate. Think about your life. Think about the life you've lived in the past. Think about your family background. A lot of you do not know your family history. A lot of you do not know your family background. You don't even know the things that your father, your direct immediate father did. You don't even know. So how do you expect miracle to happen in your life all of a sudden? I'm not saying that miracle do not exist. But before a miracle will come your way, there must be a taproot. Meditate. Think about your life. Discover your life. Self-meditation. Self-discovery. If there's anything you have done wrong, start to correct it. Immediately you start doing that, you will start to notice some kind of peace within you. Every day is not all about go and do this, go and do that. Sometimes sit yourself down and talk to yourself. Only you sometimes can deliver you. Dear miracle seekers, a lot of people might not like this message that I'm passing across today. A lot of people might not like what I'm saying today. But if you listen to what I've just said, you are going to benefit from it. Because there is nothing as great as self-discovery. I bet you today, go and do your self-discovery. You will not live to regret it. Adamdibo is my name. I have come for the total and full restoration of Ordinary Igbo. Thank you so much.